Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to go over the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro versus the Insta360 Ace Pro, and this is going to happen in two rounds. The first round we're just going to discuss the features, and in second round we're going to go over and say which team wins for certain categories. So as you can see, both of them have very similar sensor resolution. This one with higher and this one is DJI, so this one is on this side, and then maximum aperture Osmo has a bit more. As you can see, internal recording mode, it's not available for the Insta360. I mean the options, but you can see that you have a lot of them available on the Osmo and things like that. Photo, as you can see, you can set from 100 to 25,000, or and videos you can set from 51 to 20,000, which is very much less. In the Insta 360 built-in microphone, it has a stereo, it doesn't. As you can see, there is no built-in speaker either. And then you can see that they have the single slot, which is faster. Now these are just the boring parts. If we skip to the good parts, these are the two things that will be focused on. So the DJI Osmo is good for dynamic range and detail. It has dual OLED screen. It is waterproof without case, and but make sure you don't go deeper than 20-meter. Long battery life and works good if you have the DJI Mic 2. And if we talk about the Insta360, it has an excellent all-round video. It has good low light image quality. So again, let's say you are working with a camera that you need for all time, I would say go with the DJI. But if your main focus is videos and working in night condition, then obviously Insta Ace Pro is your go-to. This one has good audio with built-in mic, things like that. So the against thing is there's no 5.3K plus video option. Super night mode is merely okay. As I said, for the night mode, the Insta Ace Pro is a better option. And the bad things about the Insta Ace Pro is that there's no built-in storage, so you need to get it separately. Flip screen might not appeal to some, and the 8K recording comes with a lot of caveat. So as you can see, for the price, the DJI wins. And then for the design and displays winner, the Insta360 wins. And then if we talk about the sensor and image quality, it's mostly a tie between the two. And then for battery life, Osmo is a clear winner. As you even in the previous one, it said that it has a good battery life. So let's say you are going on long hikes and places where charging isn't uh, an available option, obviously you go with the Osmo. And then modes and features, again this is a tie. So as I said, it completely depends on what you're going to do. If you're just taking pictures, your main focus is taking pictures, Osmo is your go-to, because it has like good dynamic range and details. But if you want like really good uh, video and low light image quality, then obviously Insta360 should be your go-to. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.